Welcome to SAT Climb. On a parabola question, the vertex is the whole game, the highest or lowest point. Standard form hides it, but one move, completing the square, rewrites any quadratic into vertex form, and the vertex just falls out. No graphing calculator needed. Let's make it automatic. Vertex form is y equals a times x minus h squared plus k. The vertex is simply h, k, read it right off. Standard form buries that. So why do we call it completing the square? Picture x squared as an actual square, and the x term as a strip you split in half and wrap around two sides. That leaves one empty corner. To fill it, you take half of b and square it. Add that corner, and the expression becomes a perfect square. That is the entire method, no matter the numbers. Let's do it. Y equals x squared minus 6x plus 5. Focus on the x terms. Take half of negative 6, that is negative 3. Square it, you get 9. Add 9 and subtract 9 so you haven't changed anything. Now x squared minus 6x plus 9 is a perfect square, x minus 3 squared. The leftover negative 9 plus 5 is negative 4. So y equals x minus 3 squared minus 4. The vertex is 3, negative 4. And notice the sign flips. X minus 3 means x equals positive 3. What if it is not 1? Y equals 2x squared plus 8x plus 3. First, factor the 2 out of just the x terms. 2 times x squared plus 4x plus 3. Now complete the square inside. Half of 4 is 2, squared is 4, so inside we get x plus 2 squared minus 4. Here is the trap. That minus 4 is inside the parentheses, so it gets multiplied by the 2. 2 times negative 4 is negative 8. Add the plus 3, and that is negative 5. Final answer, 2 times x plus 2 squared minus 5. Vertex, negative 2, negative 5. Your turn. Write y equals x squared plus 4x plus 1 in vertex form. Pause if you need to. Half of 4 is 2, squared is 4. Add and subtract 4. X squared plus 4x plus 4 is x plus 2 squared. 1 minus 4 is negative 3. So y equals x plus 2 squared minus 3. The vertex is negative 2, negative 3. Plot it, and the parabola bottoms out right there. Three traps that cost points. 1. Adding a square but forgetting to subtract it. You must keep the equation balanced, add and subtract the same number. 2. When it is not 1, forgetting to multiply the pulled out constant by a, that minus 4 became negative 8. 3. The sign of hx minus 3 squared means the vertex sits at positive 3. X plus 2 squared means negative 2. Always flip the sign you see inside the parentheses. Completing the square, solved. Take half of b, square it, add and subtract, then factor the perfect square. If it was not 1, pull it out first. The vertex reads straight off. Start practicing free at satclimb.com. Your SAT is closer than you think.